Service provider WAN solutions have been implemented for many years to connect different company sites to resources in remote locations. A common implementation is an organization with a central office, where remote sites require access to resources within the central office. Dedicated circuits are often implemented in this type of environment, where a service provider provides a circuit or a WAN link to the customer premise, and traffic across that WAN link is forwarded through a VPN environment to remote locations. A typical service provider WAN service runs across an MPLS VPN, which is transparent to the end customer. From the customer perspective, the remote resources are a single routed hop away, where in the case of a Layer 2 VPN, remote site devices appear to be directly connected. Two main components are required to provide such an environment. The first is the underlay network, which is the framework over which the VPN tunnels are created. The second is the overlay network, which is a programmable virtual network of tunnels that runs from one edge device to another to interconnect devices over the top of the underlay network. VPN tunnels are logical network links that, to the tunnel endpoints, appear to directly connect to remote devices. They're created by adding extra header information to packets that identify the remote provider edge or PE device as the destination of the network traffic. When the remote PE receives the traffic, the outer header is decapsulated, which reveals the original header and identifies the final customer destination of the traffic. Some simple mechanisms, such as an MPLS label-to-client mapping or a tunnel-to-client mapping, are used to place the traffic in the proper routing table on the egress PE device. From a customer perspective, the service provider provisions a circuit, manages and controls this mesh of tunnels, and works to ensure a contracted level of service across the provider domain. To the customer, the service provider network is often transparent and irrelevant, as long as traffic travels from one site to another within the agreed-upon parameters.